Established in 1988, Techpo Group Limited is a leading professional garment manufacturer and exporter in Hong Kong. Its direct factory, Zhongshan Techmei Sports Manufacturing Limited, is located in the largest casual clothing production base, Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area in China. Techmei Industrial Park covers a land area of 20,000 square meters. The plant area covers 13,000 square meters, specialized in knitted sportswear and protective clothing. In response to COVID-19, the group has expanded towards the production of face masks and coverall suits, in which it is managed by subsidiary Team Power Industries Limited. As a trusted partner of some international brands, not only Techmei has more than 30 years of R&D and production experience, but also hundreds of experienced skillful workers and managerial staffs. The factory is well equipped with more than 700 units of computerized sewing machines and professional equipment, including computerized automatic cutting machines and no-tension spreading machine from Japan. For face masks and coverall suits, the company has established Class 100,000 clean room facilities, which create a particle-controlled environment for production. The facilities ensure that the end products can meet very high standards and requirements. Throughout the years, Techmei has won a number of international quality certifications. Its products have been sold to the world's biggest markets in Europe, North America, and Asia. The factory adheres to green environmental production and scientific quality management. Strict tests and procedures are applied to material inspection, production, and quality control in order to strive for excellent quality and low wastage. For years to come, Techpo Group will continue to uphold the company's core value, the best stores for me, and deliver the best of us through excellent service and quality product. We are devoted, hence professional.